Hi all, welcome back to Math with Amala. Let's move to part 10 of grade 9 chapter 1 which continues with the operations on real numbers. Please do refer the description for the previous video links. Let's move to operations on real numbers. So real numbers includes the rationals and also the irrationals. So far we have discussed all about these rationals and irrationals. So let's take some numbers which includes the irrationals and also the rationals. I'm taking here 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. So this operation is based on both rationals and irrationals. 2 root 2 plus root 2, we can just associate the brackets and also commutate. Then you will get 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3, which is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Actually, we have done this operation here with the rationals and irrationals multiplied and added and subtracted. We have done all the operations in it. Next is 6 root 5 into 2 root 5, which is equal to, you can take this 6 and 2 together, that is 6 into 2, 12. Then root 5 into root 5, which is again root 5 the whole square, which is 5. So you will get the answer 12 into 5, which is equal to 60. Now let us deal with some true cases which include the rational and irrational operations and leading into some irrational and rational results. Let's take sum or difference. I just written like of, you can change it like or. Sum or difference of rational and irrational is always irrational. If we take a rational and an irrational and add them or subtract them, you will get an irrational always. Next case is multiplication of non-zero rational with an irrational number. Why we take non-zero rational? Which means if we take a zero rational multiplied with irrational, the result will be always 0. No doubt, because it's multiplication. So we have to take here non-zero rational multiplied with irrational, then the result is always irrational. Next, if we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrationals, what we will get? Let's take root 2 and root 2 for example. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2, which is an irrational. But if we take root 2 into root 2, what you will get? Root 2 the whole square, which is 2, which is a rational. So there is a chance for both. It can be rational or irrational. Now let's have some cases or some operations which includes the real numbers. That means it can be a rational or irrational. Let's take root AB, which is equal to root of A into root B. Next, root of A divided by B is root of A divided by root of B, which is a common operation that we know already about for rational numbers. Then root of A plus root of B into root of A minus root of B is equal to root of A the whole square minus root of B the whole square, which is equal to A minus B. Also, A plus root B into A minus root B is equal to A square minus root B the whole square, which is equal to A square minus B. And then the fifth one, root of A plus root of B the whole square is equal to A plus 2 root of AB plus B. We can give the A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square form. Sixth one, root of A plus root of B into root of C plus root of D, which is actually we have to multiply each term like distribution. Root of AC plus root of AD plus root of BC plus root of BD. Now with these operations on real numbers which include both rational and irrationals, we can rationalize some irrational numbers. So let's take 1 by root 2. Here the denominator is an irrational number and you have to make the denominator into a rational. Let's multiply the numerator and denominator with root 2. Then you will get root 2 divided by root 2 the whole square, which is 2. Now we can see here, it is very easy to locate this 1 by root 2 in the number line if you rationalize this number. So you can say it like this is lying in between 0 and root 2. Because the reciprocal of a number will be lying only in between 0 and that number itself. Since it is not a negative number, it will be in between 0 and root 2. Then rationalize the denominator of 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Here we will introduce the new concept conjugate. What is conjugate? Here we will change the sign of the irrational part of the denominator. Here 7 plus 3 root 2 will become 7 minus 3 root 2. This is the conjugate, and you will multiply it on the numerator and denominator with the rational number, with the irrational number. Then you will get 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by that association will be done there, and multiplication also done. Then 49 minus 9 into 2, that is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 49 minus 18. Answer is 7 minus 3 root 2 divided by 31. Thank you all for watching the video. Please be stay tuned for the next video and clear your doubts through comments.